Okay, here's an overview of the compartment, and there's the starter. It's up on top, and we need to remove this air box with the air filter in it. Large black object on the right, and disconnect the battery. The air filter's in here. Okay, unplug this electrical connector here. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew this little solenoid device coming into the side. Being careful not to lose the screw, of course. And this will pull out. Now we need to remove a 10mm screw that's holding this box, bolting this box to another component down below. So take that out. Now loosen the clamp holding the air duct to the air box using a Phillips screwdriver. Pry the duct off the box now. I'm just using a flat blade screwdriver and getting some leverage in there. It's on there quite tightly. And finally, we need to disengage a cable. I think it's a throttle cable from that little spring-looking bracket that's attached to the box. And then we should be free. What's left now is just the base of the box held in by three 10mm screws. So we'll get our ratchet 10mm socket and remove those. Let's speed it up here a little bit. Here we go. Two bolts holding this in. Right down here is the first one. It's behind a little cover, a little bracket. 14mm, 6-inch extension. Okay, before we break that loose all the way, we're going to go to the other one. Which is over here. We'll put some light on it. Let's take this cable out of the way. Okay, now we can fit just the ratchet and 14mm socket in here. Give it a good... There it goes. Okay, we'll take it out all the way now. This one out all the way. Yeah, rather long. Okay, back over to the other side. We'll finish taking this one out. Okay, let's slip this cover off. Okay, we've got 12mm battery plus nut. Okay, rotating this around now to gain access to the solenoid signal wire. There it is right there. There. And our starter is out of the vehicle. This is an OEM starter that's still good. And I'm going to be putting it back in, as this is just a demo. Okay, just snug it up here. Don't tighten it up all the way until you get the other side all snugged up. And here we are snugging this up. Then we can apply some final torque. I don't worry about a torque wrench on a starter. Just get it really good and snug so it doesn't back out. Before you put this 10mm in, you have to slip this adjoining piece back over the top of the airbox, like that. Okay, put that cable now back on the cable holder that's attached to the box. Make sure the back of the box here slides into the holders and locks into place. You don't want a sloppy fit here. Oh, you don't forget to put that 10mm screw back in there that holds these two pieces, this other assembly to the box. Okay, let's fit this component back in. First, the tubing goes back together, and then we use a Phillips screw to hold it in place. Right here. Thanks for watching. I have more material in the pipe that you might find useful, so please subscribe. And I'm going to throw up a couple links here to some related videos that you might find helpful. Have a good one.